2026 Underground Sound Cypher. I don't recognize nobody up here, bro. Wait, nah, this dude right here look familiar. Who is that? Bro, got a bait voice. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Skid Row edition. I don't got like these niggas straight out, bro. Tori, you could have been on this joint.
I'm 42, and this is.
Oh, this is. I didn't even know 4.2. Like this was 4.2 shit. Okay, I kind of support it because it's 4.2.
The 2026.
Oh, that's Raining. Oh, that's the nigga that they say sound like Che. We might be putting together a Che versus Raining Ox battle, but it'd be chat participation. Just saying.
Underground Sound Cypher.
Swag, 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 swag.
Oh, I know who this is. Nah, I mess with dog. I heard one of his songs. This Swag dude. I have heard one of his songs.
Swag, swag, cow swag, swag, cow swag, traffic, cow swag, boom, cow swag, swag, cow swag.
Yeah, I mean that's his whole aesthetic though. It's like early 2000. Look at the big ass jean. All right, let me listen to the shit though, for real. And he got a jersey on too.
Swag, cow swag, swag, cow swag, traffic, cow swag, boom, cow swag, cow swag, coming to your trap with Mac 11. Cow swag for your bitch, she said my shit like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll black. My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, and the nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so geeked up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag flex on Rolex like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been in? Out flexing me, nigga, I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway.
I mean, I'm not mad at this verse. For a cypher, I'm not mad at it.
Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back.
Wait, hold on, my nigga. I don't see shit to hate on right. I don't see shit to hate on just yet. This nigga look, he came in hard too.
Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag. They coming first, then you coming last. She bet a song, then she running back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit back and relax. Bitch, damn, sit back, smoke. Ass nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be stealing the flow. You tryna slime them, gotta let me know. I hit the ground and money on the floor. Can't come around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money, mo. Virginia Beach, better not be alone.
I sold the bunny.
Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Damn, okay.
That wasn't bad to me either, bro. If I had to get a first person rating on some real shit, like on some cypher shit, just like all the ciphers I've heard, the first person, bro, I'm gonna have to give bro like a 5. This right here, I give like a 5.5. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cypher music is like, I don't see nothing wrong with this. Your ears might be broken. Nigga, that just sounds like an underground sound, like song to me. And this is called an Underground Sound Cypher. Nigga, it sounds underground. This brain rot music mud. Did you read the title? 2026 Underground Sound. I mean, off the muscle, like, yeah, this is like a whole different level. Like, he sounds way better than the other two, but I'm saying, like, yes, nigga, I'm younger, so I know what I'm talking about. You 40. Exactly. So, like, you know brain rot when you see it. You just called this brain rot. Underground sound is brain rot sound. Like, that's what it's known for. Like, it's known for a bunch of 808s, bunch of loud shit. So, yes, nigga, you just proved my point. Facts, Can. Exactly. We agreeing, my nigga. All right, let's hear this. I like that hoodie too. That hoodie hard. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game, boy. She said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home shit. It really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't. This decent. Yo, I feel like y'all dead ass making me sound like some type of underground fiend. Y'all know I'm not. But this shit low key like it's good. It's way better than the other two. But it's also like I see shit for what it is because I was one of them niggas that didn't understand underground music either. This is just easier to digest. Like it's what we have heard. Like it's similar. It's way similar to what we've heard before.
Stay with an attitude, get it gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head. Little bit gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your horn? I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the
Nah, you came up with a different underground, bruh. But like you said, niggas ain't trying to be different no more. Or unique no more. Alright, we need to stop letting niggas with skinny jeans wear boots. Like real talk. I'm tired of this look.
Bitch, I'm in your breast, yeah. Bitch, I'm kinda chest. Whoa, I'ma put a leg flat. Hit a money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch. Run, kinda go out, run from fast. We got clientele, putting them through hell up. They like, where's nail? Bitch, I put my nail up. I go out the rail, choke a chain, bitch. Choke a chain, bitch. Choke a chain, bitch. Bitch, I'm still the same, bitch, but I'm painless. I got 2 chains, bitch. I get paid. I can't like it.
See now like this the sound I can't really get behind. I ain't gonna hate on it, but this the sound I really can't get behind. I don't think niggas that make music that sound like this are talented, for real, to be honest. I genuinely think they just got lucky with a preset and it blew up.
This so vegan you can put it in front of cows.
They are? Can this talent right here? Nigga, you can do that. With the right preset to make your voice sound like this, you can do this, bro. No, I can't. You ass.
I'm getting buckets, nigga. It's just my red on boot, yeah. Stepping on the tune. Chopper go like bang, bitch. Chopper bang, bitch.
Oh, he sounds just like Che right here. Brother can make a better song than this and Too Slimy. Is this Too Slimy, bro? Oh no. Hold on, this nigga sound decent right here though. This Too Slimy? Hold on.
I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas. Celine the double G. I make all my peace with all my bitches. Take it visas down. Rock the star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. That's how you gon' keep it up. Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same.
This shit, this nigga the hardest so far.
I stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Back out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Fuck with that.
I get higher than the egg. G-Lock, it is scorchy dog. Or the truck all white, Mr. Clint. My packet 100% blue in. Nigga, baby, mama just no color. I did another nigga broad. I put it on D&D.
I done heard this niggas. I done heard a good song from this dude before because I know his voice.
Before you walk, you crawl. I walk the talk. I run in the canyon. Catch you out and spin out the back of the pit. I'ma hang off double. Niggas ain't live. Gang, phone my friend.
Yeah, he losing me. Bro, what is he even talking about, bro? With all that lot, bro, that nigga ain't serious, bro. He don't even know what he's talking about. What beat is he rapping on? This nigga did one of them tragic, this nigga Trey say everything I'm about to type. No, like on some real shit, bro. Like this nigga dead ass was doing a tragic fucking FL Studio challenge. His ass was listening to another beat, made a song, and then put a different beat over. Alright, bet, sicko. Folks in the back just acting like it's hard. I done heard a hard song from him before though, unless it was somebody that sound like him. Okay. We got fat shit. Oh, see, he got that underground sound that all the underground niggas love. If that shit not a Connie dance, she wanna touch it, I buy you hands. I send a nigga like TDBS. You don't do shit for your life, I get hammered. Telling a pun up, pull less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no ace out of dance. You don't like step team type beat? I made a song on a step beat, folks. I fuck with him. They got time for that deal. They got time for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga tell that still taking years. Unmake it? Ah, it's already up. Then nigga pay for that hand job, it's no will. I'm not set by mama. I'm not set by mama like. I'm not set by mama. Trying about some shit like these beats suck. I fuck with them. Nigga, I saw him. Had these niggas shot down. But the church got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas right around me. I feel like on beats like this, they kind of make you want to talk about something. So if you not like, it make me want to listen to the song more. So like, he not really talking about that. Yeah, I ain't really fuck with it. So first impressions, because this is my first time seeing this fat ass little meatball built ass nigga. He's built like a meatball. His haircut, I don't know, that chain. I think it's fly. I think his pants unzipped. Wait, this the same nigga from that one TikTok sound, bro? Bro, how it go? Bro, now I know who this is, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Need segregation back on. Hey, for real. Black folks need to stop letting anybody rap. Dead ass. Even though the hardest person so far is the white dude in this goddamn cipher, bro. Real talk, this nigga right here. He need to get caught by them agents. That's a joke.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, you made it geek. Pop this pay, who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe, he love, follow me.
Best one, you just saying this because he look like you. What the fuck?
Keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me.
If you gained weight.
She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a none that little boy scared to shoot. I tell him go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words, yeah. I'm in the made that pull out 10, that bitch about to give me Kirk, yeah. Poppin' that RP, bitch, I'm fried. My eyes wild like dirt, like yeah. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooter got around the dawn, send him on mission, tell him rocket turn. I said, Trish not burning, Beverly bitch, she purging. If I'm not fucking your hoe, I'm probably in the studio working. If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go crazy.
Ooh, that felt hard.
If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go crazy. I'm still young, I free my bro. I'm still young, I fuck the jersey.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I still got white dude over him, but it's him, white dude, him, and then right here. This the big three right here.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up.
He was cooking Nasigo. I know you like this one.
Fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums.
It is Mobby vibes.
Like the ocean tides are shifting. No, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it. Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Con capping, I could teach you how to jump with you.
I seen I seen this clip. Why did he get that? Like, why you when you say a bar like on your knee, like you know how niggas be like, I'm gonna shoot you up and they do this right here. One of the bars that you don't imitate is like getting on your knees, gang.
Bitch on the knees. Con capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a passion. 2020 vision.
Can we like have ice deport the underground rap scene?
Glasses, niggas is not eating. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four step on the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Get a speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Get it chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease.
Started out so good too.
Then that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up the bankrolls on the teacher.
That nigga is getting loud.
High school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. I'm swerving into Caesars. I just put a deuce in a Sprite, 2 liters.
Yarrow.
Okay. I mean, what the fuck are y'all sending, bro? I mean, nah, I mean, I'm gonna have to get like the whole cipher, real talk, like the whole cipher, bro. I ain't mean to do that swear on my life. I'm about to listen to that. I had to get a whole cipher, probably it's a smooth 4 out of 10. It's below average, but there was those 3 that made it like a 4. You know what I mean? It's below average though. But like every cipher for the last couple of years have been below average. So I ain't even, you know what I'm saying? Like I ain't even finna be too harsh on though.